Today I have a very special test for you all. So today you guys are going to be able to hear what I hear when I wear my AirPods Max. I recently did a video on my channel wearing these headphones to test out the Google Nest Audio speakers. It was the best sound test that I've done before. So I personally really loved the result, and I've been playing around with the AirPods while wearing these, and it's really awesome. So now before you guys can hear what I hear, I need you to go find a pair of headphones and put them on, please. I'm gonna wait. Okay, so now that you found your headphones, I need you to check the timestamps in the description, because in the description you guys are going to find the noise cancellation test, the transparency mode test, every different genre of music that you would want to hear. It's going to be down there so that you guys can just jump over to that section and then just listen to what the AirPods Max would sound like for you. Okay, so this is going to sound weird because just bear with me for a second because the audio has changed. So you guys are basically hearing me as I hear myself. This is so cool. And what I'm going to do now is put on the AirPods Max and we're going to run through all the different genres, okay? Okay guys, so I have everything set up, and right now I sound really weird because basically it is recording from the headset that is underneath the AirPods. So this headset is recorded to the phone that I'm recording with, and this iPhone is set up with the AirPods Max, so that way I can play tracks for you all. So real quickly, I'm going to set the AirPods to transparency mode because right now they're in noise cancellation, and you guys should hear the difference. You hear that? Suddenly you hear what's going on in the room. So if I tap on the desk, so you guys should be hearing this in 3D audio. That's what's awesome about this, and that's why I really wanted to do this test. So now I'm going to put it back in noise cancellation. Okay, so now we're in noise cancellation, and I'm just going to play a random track first, okay? Okay, so that was just a sample track. That was High Noon by Toby Tranter. Alright, so now let's move on to rock. let's move on to R&B and soul.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place where we can be free. There is a light shining for you, guiding your way, helping you through. And shadows and gloom are all that you see. We'll find a place where we can be free. From the mountaintop down to the deepest valley, hear a voice.
Okay, let's move on to jazz. Okay, so now let's move on to country. I actually like country music. I don't know about you guys, but I do.
I see you running, running out of reason. Don't try to blame it on the seasons. Why you wanna walk away? When we began, swear we had something that would last. Baby, has the feeling passed?
Okay, now let's go to electronica and dance music. make it really hard for me to not want them. Alright, so let's move on to pop.
Better say something that will change my mind. Gotta give me something, 'cause I'm not blind. And I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance. We won't stand a chance.
Okay, so now that we have different music genres out of the way, I actually want to play a couple of cinematic tracks I found, just so that you guys can kind of experience that if you were using this to watch a TV show, maybe a movie, what it's going to kind of sound like, okay? Okay, so now I want to play another movie track and then we can move on. Okay, so now I want to play another movie track for you all. Let's play this one. So now I've put the AirPods Max in transparency mode. This is transparency and this is noise cancellation. you see how the audio of my voice changes? So what I want to do is I have two HomePod minis. One is over here to the left and the other one is to the right. And what I'm going to do is play crowd noises on here. So we're going to run through it in transparency mode and then we'll run through it again in noise cancellation. Now, the HomePod minis are set to 50% volume. So that should give you an idea as to, and they're pretty loud, so that should give you an idea as to how the noise cancellation is going to sound for you personally. So let's go ahead and play a track. So this is transparency mode, and you can hear that there's crowd noises, people talking, all that stuff going on. And now let's put it in noise cancellation and repeat the same thing. See that? Okay, now here's another one. This is the sound of a restaurant crowd. So we're in noise cancellation right now, and this is what the AirPods Max sound like. I'm gonna put in transparency. See how loud that is? And I'm actually really close to this. Like, I am right here. It's at an arm's length away from me, and both of the HomePod minis. So again, from transparency mode, let's go into noise cancellation. Not bad. Alright, so the special headphones are off, and you know what's funny is that I've been listening to these for so many weeks now. Shows, movies, all this different stuff, and I wanted to relay over to you guys and let you really experience what the AirPods Max are going to sound like for you. So I really hope that you found this helpful and this gave you an idea as to how exactly the headphones sound. So with that said, guys, I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below with anything that you'd like to say, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you all in the next video.